Hi guys, welcome to season 4 of Law Truck and Friends Crashes and Accidents. So, please enjoy Law Truck and Friends season 4 Crashes and Accidents.
But then there was trouble. Oh no, my engine blew out. Well, this is the end for me. And plane crashed. Oh, take this. What? Whoa! Oh no, look out everybody. Whoa, Ha, check that guys. Ha, take this. Come on. Whoa. Ha, got you. Ow. Oh, okay, you know what? Come. Oh no, my tire blew out. Ah, that's right. Yeah. What's that? Oh no, I have to stop. Oh. Look. Goodbye. Yes, I'm alive. Ouch. Wait for me. Oh no, wait me, car. You got struck by a lightning. Okay, I'll try. Oh. Whoa. You okay, the bad truck? Whoa. Oh. I'm gonna lay down like this. Oh.
Alright guys, that was season 4 of... That was Law Truck and Friends season 4 Crashes and Accidents. Do you think I could do Car Hauler next? Well, we'll have to find out. Well guys, that is all of the Law Truck and Friends Crashes and Accidents. See you in the next video, guys.